just be. Don't take it, take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal.
Hey y'all, welcome back to yet another video. And yes, as you can see, I am in my kitchen, y'all. I'm actually gonna do a quick cook with me, y'all. I've been fiending for some Jamaican saltfish fritters. I haven't made it in a while, and I realized I have 2 or 3 bags of saltfish in my refrigerator for quite a while, because you know that thing does not spoil, child. So I'm like, I have the ingredients to go ahead and make it. Why not turn the camera on? Why not give you content? I used to do a lot more cooking videos for sure on my channel, so I'm trying to also go ahead and start that back up, okay? So go ahead and stay tuned if you want to see how I make saltfish fritters. Now the video that I did, because I have to give credit where credit is due, is Chef Ricardo. Just like my banana fritters video, I believe. No, well, not the video, but I think in my vlog I did a banana fritters video segment part of it, whatever. I went ahead and watched his video, so I went ahead and also learned how to make saltfish fritters from Chef Ricardo. Check out his channel, y'all. Real yard man, and he can cook, okay? I mean, I ain't never tasted his food or nothing, but you know, like, it looked like it tastes good. I mean, and his directions and everything work. So, all right. Above all that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all. So these are the ingredients that I need and that you will need if you want to go ahead and try. I have 2 packets of bacalao, which is also known as saltfish or codfish. These are boneless, and all we have to do with these is just boil it and take some salt off because it's very salty. That is why they don't expire. So we're gonna go ahead and probably boil this like 2 times, but I'll show you guys that if you haven't seen that on my channel already. I have me some green onions, I have some thyme, I have some peppers, orange, red, and yellow. I have some, of course, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have a yellow onion. We're also going to need flour, and we're definitely going to need a frying pan and a pot that you can go ahead and boil some water so we can go ahead and get to the saltfish. All right, y'all, so you just go ahead and bring the pot that you're gonna put the saltfish in to medium heat is what I do. And you just go ahead, open the packaging, and go ahead and drop them bad boys in there. So basically you're just gonna boil off the salt. It's a lot of salt, y'all, a lot. I've tested. I probably don't even need all this, actually. I think that's all the pieces. I don't need, should I? I'm gonna make quite a few though, because then I can have some for breakfast tomorrow too. So it's some greedy people in this house. So we're gonna go ahead and let this boil. So I did 2 packages of the saltfish in a pot of water, medium heat. All right, y'all, make sure y'all go ahead and wash your veggies, your ingredients, your seasonings that you can wash. I do keep my peppers in the freezer, so it might look wet to you because it is frozen. It lasts longer for me, so I go ahead and do that. And now we're just gonna go ahead and cut. I don't like how these edges look, so we're gonna go ahead and throw that out, child. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up these green onions. This is fresh thyme. Don't laugh at the way I hold the knife either, y'all. Next up, we have the peppers. This is all gonna be mixed in, so the smaller the pieces, the better. I mean, it is your preference. I'm pretty sure there's a faster and easier way to cut onions, but this is the way I do it.
Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up.
Now to the Scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful with this, y'all, because this thing is hot. I also keep mine in the freezer. Hopefully I don't rub my eyeballs, because that's gonna hurt. Alright, y'all, so all the veggies are cut up. Onions, Scotch bonnet peppers, scallion or green onions, thyme and peppers, and we have the flour over here. Let me show y'all real quick what just happened. So the medium heat is probably wrong. This just overflows. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it off and put some fresh water so I can go ahead and boil again, and then we'll get started with the fritters.
Oh, dead on arrival, but okay.
Okay, fine. We'll take yours.
Can I talk to you for a minute? I just need to step away right quick and talk to you about something. I owe you an apology. I was wrong for what I said on social media. You know it was a joke, but it was not a funny joke. Squad is on her thigh. If I say she sleep with married men.
Alright, y'all, so I just turned the fire off for the second round of boiling the water with the saltfish. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it off, and then I'm gonna take the saltfish and basically break it up, and then we can get started with that pan. Alright, y'all, so the saltfish is all cut up. I didn't break them up too much because I still want the little chunks in them. So that's your preference. And as I showed you guys the seasonings, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a bowl so we can mix everything together. I also got some black pepper because, you know, ain't nothing wrong with a little bit more spice. Y'all know I love spice. If you don't, well, I do. And I'm gonna go ahead and get me some water because we're gonna use the water and the flour to go ahead and mix these bad boys together. All right, y'all, so I just got some water from the kettle that's already boiled. And from what Chef Ricardo said, he went ahead and used 2 cups of flour, about 2 cups of flour. So he went ahead and kind of eyeballed it. I gotta use the actual cup. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 cups of flour. Okay, so that's 2 cups. And then he basically like added everything. Let me see.
Size white onion right here. Let's get the rest inside of it, guys. 2 spring onion, which I cut up very small, as you can see.
He went ahead and basically added everything to this 2 cups of flour. So I like onions, so we're gonna go ahead and add all of that. Okay. We're gonna use the knife to be like Chef Ricardo. Add the peppers. Just gonna add everything. Scallion, Scotch bonnet, all of that, all of that. He only did a little bit of thyme, so I kind of cut up too much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of that. Put this. gonna go ahead and add the saltfish. And then we're gonna add the water. To help. Now he just went little by little with how much water. He didn't really say, because you want it to be a consistency that you can basically fry it. And it reminds me of pretty much how the consistency is to make the banana fritters. I think that was too much. Smells amazing, y'all. Amazing. Oh my God. Make sure you get the bottom, because I can see from my view that there's some flour down there that's not mixed in. I mean, maybe like a tad bit more water. All right, y'all, so the pan is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cooking oil. I don't know if it's vegetable. I think we buy vegetable. So I'm gonna just basically cover the bottom, but then put a tad bit more. And I'm also putting the fire down on low. I think that's good. So it should be hot quickly, because, as I said, the pot is hot already. Go ahead. See if it's done. Well, it kind of looks done on one side. Let's flip it. Oh my God, guys, it's looking so good. I feel like I made this only one time before. It's looking so good. All right, y'all, these are looking so good. It smells amazing. So basically it's finished, but I like mine crispy and a bit tad darker. So I'm just letting them kind of fry a little longer. I did turn the fire up a bit more to medium, because I feel like it was taking too long being on low. So I'm just gonna wait for it to get a bit more brown, finish off the rest of it, and then I'll show you guys the final results. But it smells amazing. Big shouts out to my nephew Dorian. Dorian, you're gonna go ahead and try these too, boo. I know you tried the banana fritters and we're gonna try it together, but you need to go ahead and try these saltfish fritters. They're really, really good and yummy. And let me know if you try it, okay? But yeah, y'all, this is really good. See, I like that like brown golden tone to it, so I'm just gonna let them get to kind of that, and then I'll take them out. So I'll be back. Go ahead and put the fritters on a paper towel just to kind of help to drain off all of the oil that's on there, and then we're gonna go ahead and plate them. But y'all, tell me these don't look bomb. Oh my gosh. Love it, love it, love it. I cannot wait to try it. My mouth is watering. So I have 4 more here, and this one can probably make another 6. So yeah, maybe 8. So once I'm done, we'll go ahead and plate. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Your ears must have been burning. Well, we were just talking about it. It's become a discussion basically just about this. So, here's the deal.
myself being put up as the butt of
So we are done, y'all. This makes the bomb.com. So I wanted to go ahead and just quickly take a bite with you guys. You hear that crunch? Chef Ricardo, thank you. My big friend, thank you, yeah. Just enough Scotch bonnet. Now, if you do not like your spices cut big like I do, go ahead and obviously dice them smaller. I don't mind it. So good. The inside is all nice and fluffed with enough. Saltfish is not missing. It's not missing a piece of saltfish, which I love. Every bite has a piece of codfish, okay? Y'all. Bomb. Bomb. It is late. Hopefully you can't see the time. But I'm gonna have me like one more. But it's definitely for breakfast tomorrow. Probably even for dinner. I don't know. My trainer better mind his business. But thank you guys so much for taking the time out to check out yet another video of mine. If you ain't catch my name is Avrel and this is Home of the Naturalista. Thank you for checking out my very first in a while cook with me. I had a blast. This was worth recording. Thank you guys so much. Do not forget to subscribe before leaving. Do not forget to thumbs up this video. And do not forget to click that notification bell right next to that subscribe button. That whenever I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. So thank you guys so much. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and get my grub on. Thank you guys. I love you. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.